In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play service for AR required unable to start experience. Please install or update Google Play service for AR and relaunch the experience problem. For fixing this problem, open Google Chrome. Now search for Google Play service for AR. Play service for AR. Now click on first link Google Play service for AR. Tap on AR. Now tap on remove update, then uninstall. Now tap on update again. Wait for completing the update process. Go back. Then tap on settings. Then tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. Now search for Google Play service for AR. Now tap on Google Play service for AR. If it is not showing, then tap on three dot, then show system app. Then search again. Tap on Google Play service for AR. Tap force stop, OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear storage, then delete. Now go back. Now tap on search settings. Now search for reset app preference. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset app preference, then reset apps. After doing this, now I hope that this will fix Google Play service for your required problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.